Prime Minister Andrew Holness hosted a delegation of CARICOM heads of government last week to agree on solutions to stabilize political tensions in Haiti. It also included Canada, France, Brazil, Mexico, the United States, and the United Nations.
Strong and decisive action owned by the people of Haiti must be taken to stem the sea of lawlessness and hopelessness before it is too late. We are deeply distressed that it is already too late for too many who have lost far too much at the hands of criminal gangs.
Prime Minister Holness reaffirmed Jamaica's commitment to the Haitian cause and lauded the commitment of the regional and international communities.
The people of Haiti deserve the opportunity to experience another way of being, to determine their destiny, to secure their rights, and to be free from oppressive forces within and without. This will therefore require a long-term reconstruction and support plan from the region and the international partners.
The meeting resulted in an agreement to establish a transitional presidential council that will select an interim prime minister.
The Transitional Presidential Council will, together with the interim prime minister, appoint an inclusive council of ministers. The parties also make specific individual commitments regarding principles of inclusion, integrity, restoration of peace, and orderly transition of power.
The United States government is providing an additional $100 million to assist a United Nations multinational force mission to Haiti to restore stability to the country.
I'm also announcing additional humanitarian assistance for the people of Haiti, $33 million to further support their health and food security.
Last week, Prime Minister Andrew Holness also took an important step in the delivery of water to residents in Spanish Town, Portmore, and Kingston and St. Andrew. On Thursday, he broke ground for the Rio Cobre water treatment plant in Content, St. Catherine. The project is valued at $77 million or 12 billion Jamaican dollars. The water treatment plant will have the capacity to transfer 15 million gallons of water to benefit approximately 150,000 customers or 600,000 residents.
When the project is complete, we can expect improved water supply and reliability for St. Catherine and the KSA areas, better resilience in the water sector during periods of drought, and improved water supply to facilitate our continued development in the business and residential sectors.
The project will be managed through a public-private partnership agreement between the National Water Commission and Rio Cobre Water Limited.
The construction of this project is estimated to be completed within 2 years, followed by a 23-year period of operation by the private partners, after which ownership of the plant will be transferred to the NWC.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Holness says upgrades to the Forest Hills distribution network will be undertaken in parallel with the Rio Cobre water treatment plant. This will benefit the people of West Rural St. Andrew, including the Red Hills to Coopers Hill area. Also, the Marasca Road Wells Rehabilitation Project will be commissioned shortly.
This combination of project investments will ensure that we will be well on our way to achieving water resilience in the Kingston and St. Andrew metropolitan area, Portmore, and St. Catherine prior to 2030. This will also diversify our resources and reduce reliance on the Hermitage Dam and the Mona Reservoir.
Prime Minister Holness says investment into the Mona Reservoir is also in the pipeline to include solar installation for the treatment plant as a cost-saving and efficiency measure. In relation to the Hermitage Dam,
we are examining how to treat with that infrastructure and how to improve that dam so that it will last us for another 100 years. These are the levels of investments that we are making to ensure that we have water resiliency in our system.
Closing out the week, the Prime Minister lauded stakeholders of the Dental Association of Jamaica on their work to ensure the integrity of the profession.
Such as ensuring standards, both in terms of professional and ethical standards, in terms of ensuring the integration of new technology into local practice, developing innovation, and ensuring that the outreach and volunteerism of the dental profession is well established in Jamaica. And I want to take this opportunity to commend our dentists who have given of their time and resources to ensure that Jamaicans can have beautiful smiles.
Mr. Holness was the keynote speaker for the association's 60th annual conference.
I must say that I believe that the association can claim success in ensuring that the practice of dentistry in Jamaica is first world, totally modernized and in keeping with the trajectory of the technology and new practices in the field.
And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.